Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Ramuka here, and I'm back with another special video for you guys. As you can see by the title down below, this is a Valentine's Day cut crease. If you guys want to watch me achieve this look and go from this to this, then stay tuned. So guys, okay, I've done my eyebrows and now I'm using tape to make sure I secure the edges of my eyelids, if that's what you want to call it, but it basically helps keep everything sharp and prevents it from like falling out, and then you have to clean it up and all that. So right now I'm using this color from the Juvia's Place palette to pretty much start off my whole look. This look is simple, like, okay, I know it's a cut crease, let me not exaggerate and say it's simple, like, you know, but it is like basic, like cut crease. I can't even speak English. Basic cut crease where I'm just using a single color and then using my concealer, as you can see right now, to just basically like define and cut the crease and make it sharp. And yeah, that's pretty much what I'm doing right now. So I'm just using that concealer, the LA Pro concealer, and I'm just really cleaning up everything for that crease to be sharp and nice and crisp. And basically I'm just going to keep cleaning it up and making it all, you know, nice for you guys. And yeah, it's like really easy, like you saw me do. Just when you put the concealer, look up, and that's where you're gonna, you know, have your crease stopping, if that makes any sense. So now I'm just taking a little bit of powder and I'm just like lightly tapping that on, because I don't want it to be too like, you know, matte and stuff, but like just lightly so that the concealer doesn't move around. And that's what I'm doing now. Now, after using the powder, I'm going to just lightly redefine that line, you know, to make it really crisp. And then for me, I still went back in with a little bit of concealer and cleaned it up a little bit and continued to define the line, or the crease line, whatever you want to call it. I don't know the terms, but I just gradually made it more sharp and defined it more and gave it more color to just match the other side. So now I'm cleaning it up just a little bit more, and yeah, after you get it clean to your liking, then you're good to go to start adding colors on your lid. So now I'm just taking these two colors, also from that same Juvia's Place palette, and I just mix it. I used a little bit of setting spray and sprayed my brush. Sorry, I'm watching a show in this part, and it's super interesting, so I was kind of distracted. But back to the makeup. I'm using my Juvia's Place palette and just putting that color on the lid so that it makes the glitter pop even more. Okay, now that I've done that, now I'm using this NYX glitter glue, and I mixed all 4 of these glitters from Amazon. They're really nice, and I'm just packing it on top of the glue, and literally the glue makes it stick on and it doesn't even fall, it doesn't move. It's amazing. And that's pretty much what I'm gonna just be doing till I have glitter everywhere on my lid to my satisfaction, and that's what you can do. I mean, you know, if you follow this tutorial. But yeah. Just keep packing it on. It's a gradual process. I know I'm watching my show and I keep looking, so just forget about that part. But yeah, just gradually keep adding it on until you're satisfied with all the glitter you have on your eyelid. And don't be like me and watch a show and get all distracted. But then again, you can be like me and watch a show and take all the time you want. Like, it is what it is, and it's up to you. Okay, now that I'm done adding all the glitter, I go back with my tiny little brush and the crease color, and I just really sharpen it up and make sure the glitter isn't like on it. Like I also use it to clean off the glitter. So now you are seeing me using another liquid, another glitter, like glitter liner. It's a liquid liner, and I'm just using it to give the crease a little, you know, pop. I don't even know what to call it, but little pop, you know, the silver. I just felt like the silver just brought out the whole look. Trust me, that's why I did an eye first, because I did not know what I was going for with this look. So it came out the way it came out, and I was pretty happy with it. So yeah, that's just what I'm doing right now. After this, I'm just gonna like fan my eye for it to dry, because I don't want to blink or look up and then it spreads. Now I'm just taking my L'Oreal really nice pen eyeliner. It's like black and it's really nice. It's liquid eyeliner. I think when you have glitter, it's better to use gel, because the liquid immediately dries up on top of the glitter, but yeah, it's up to you. Now I'm just applying my lashes. I wanted to use my other lashes that were super long, but then I was like, it has glitter already. I didn't want to make it too dramatic, but it still came out pretty nice if you ask me. So yeah, that's what I'm just doing right now, and I'm using my tweezers to just pretty much make sure my real lashes and my false lashes are married to each other and they have become one. Now I'm taking the same exact colors that I used on my top lid and for my crease line, the line, you know, in the crease, and I'm just pretty much blending it under my eyelid, on my bottom lid. I said under my eyelid, but you know what I mean. So basically, if you ask me, next time what I'm gonna do is not do that till I put my concealer on, because when I put my concealer on, I still have to keep going back in with this color to, you know, clean everything up. So until you put your concealer on and you're done, let that be one of your last steps. So now I'm just taking some eyeshadow from my other Juvia's Place palette, and I'm just putting that in my tear duct. It's a nice shimmery gold. I mixed 3 golds, which I will show you very soon, and you're gonna see how I mixed all 3 of them. And I'm just using another little liquid gold eyeliner just to make things pop, you know, and sparkle. Now I'm gonna fan everything out, and yeah, pretty much done with the eyes. So moving on, I'm going to fan, and then we are going to work on my face, like my skin. First thing I'm going to do is use a wipe to clean off all the fallout from the glitter. I forgot to mention, this was my first time doing the tape method, and I loved it. Like, look at how sharp that is. I don't care what nobody says. That is sharper than, I don't even know. Like, that is sharp. And I was obsessed, but I didn't want to overreact and be dramatic. But yeah, now I'm just going in with my primer. I put a bit too much. Like, I don't know what happens to me when I keep putting too much, but yeah, and it was like expensive too. Well, I thought it was expensive because it's really tiny. But yeah, I'm just rubbing my primer into my skin, let it absorb and soak and, you know, get acquainted with my face. Now I'm using my L'Oreal foundation, and I'm just blending that out, well, like spreading it out with a brush, and then I'll blend it out with a beauty blender. There you go. English is hard. You guys, don't come for me in this voiceover. I'm trying. It's freaking 3 a.m. I'm using another L'Oreal, like a lighter L'Oreal foundation as a base for my concealer. I feel like that just helps my concealer really pop. And as you can see, my the under eyeshadow is being wiped off by the concealer, so I had to keep adjusting it. but that's fine. I've learned my lesson, and I won't do the under eye till after concealer. So yeah, learn from my mistakes, people. Learn from my mistakes. So yeah, I'm just basically blending that out, and now I'm gonna take my LA Pro, or yeah, LA Girl Pro concealer, and put that all under my, basically where you highlight. I don't know why I'm about to state everything, but yeah, I'm just gonna blend that in with my beauty blender, and it's gonna be bright and popping and all of that stuff. Now I'm taking my powder. I didn't show you guys my powder in this because trust me, it was dirty. You won't even know the brand. So yeah, it's just basic translucent powder. Now I'm contouring with my NYX contour palette, and just, you know, using a powder contour and just contouring my life away, because on Valentine's Day you gotta be snatched, you know, like snatched. Let's snatch my nose right quick. You know, I don't really do too much contouring to my nose because I don't know, I just don't, but I did a little bit, like what I could do. And yeah, so there's me readjusting the under eye eyeshadow, my bottom lid eyeshadow, but it's okay. I've learned my lesson. So yeah, next we are moving into blending everything out with my big powder brush. Then I'm going to take a little bronzer. I've had this bronzer for like a year and it hasn't broken, and I'm so proud of myself. And I'm just blending that in with my big fluffy brush. Still distracted by my show, but it's okay. Now I'm taking this Juvia's Place highlighter. Trust me, Juvia's Place, I don't know, it's like my go-to now, and it's a black owned business, so shout out to her. So yeah, I'm just using that amazing highlighter and just highlighting all the places that need to be highlighted. And you know, I'm not just gonna put a little tap, I'm going all the way extra crazy with that one. So yeah, now I'm blending everything in with my powder brush again. And that's pretty much that. So I forgot to put blush on, then I remembered. I'm using my NARS little sample blush and reblending everything with the highlighter. And pretty much that's the face, you know, that's the face. There's the eyeshadow I used for my inner tear ducts. Told y'all I was gonna show you. See, I told y'all I was gonna put like this. Okay, so this lip liner, I do not like. After I finished filming, it fell and I couldn't find it. I was so sad and disappointed, so I couldn't show you guys the lip liner. But I got it off Amazon, and it was just some random lip liner. It's not some, you know, it was just random lip liner. And hopefully I find it again someday. In Jesus' name, amen. Y'all say amen for me in the comments. So now I'm just using that lip liner. For me, what I've started doing, right, with my lips, I take a coat, like a liquid lipstick, and then I use eyeshadow, like a matte eyeshadow, and mix it in, and I just create a nice lovely new color. And that's just been my thing these days, because most of the time my lipsticks, guys, I promise you, my lipsticks, all of them have disappeared. I don't know, my trash is close to where my makeup is. I know that sounds stupid, but I think it keeps falling into the trash and I keep throwing them away. Y'all, I need help. But yeah, basically that's what's up with my lipstick, and that's what I do. So yeah, that's just my lips, and that's how I achieve that color. Just a regular brown and the Juvia's Place liquid lipstick. And I really like the color. My sisters liked it too. So yeah, I use concealer to clean it up, and then now I'm blending everything out. The look is done. I just used my all-nighter setting spray to set my face, and guess where I went? Nowhere. Immediately after this, I wiped my face, but it's okay. I did it for you guys, and I think the look came out pretty cute and nice. So yeah, now I'm just putting on some mascara, marrying my lashes to be forever one with each other, and that is the look. That's that, y'all. That's that, y'all. Like that, y'all. Okay, I need to go to sleep. But yeah, guys, this is pretty much the look. I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope it was not too long. I really try to make it fast, and I hope it's easy for you guys to follow as well. I try to make my tutorials really easy to follow and really basic. But here is the look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I enjoyed filming this. Like, I got to wear some fur. I was feeling like somebody's sugar mama. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Stay blessed and not stressed. I'm your girl Luca, and I am out. Mwah.